Okay, so this is the room at the St. Regis Hotel. When you walk in, to the left of the door is like a luggage area, you know, where you put your clothes, kind of like an open closet, right? And what is this door? Oh, this door is where your ironing board and your safe goes. All right. And you come down to the hall to the left. I feel like Vanna White. You have your mini bar area there. And the snacks to your left are complimentary. And to your right, come with a charge. But it looks like you have tea and coffee service there. And there is a mini bar, of course, that comes with all kinds of charges. It is stocked with juices, alcohol, sparkling water, all that good stuff. All right, so walk down here. Let's go to the bathroom first. Bathroom is like an open concept. Actually, not totally. You can open this door and there's a bench right there. It's a beautiful bathroom. Bathroom is really nice. There's your toilet area and your duvet. Oops, here we go. Toilet area and duvet there. You got double sinks here. Plenty of towels. You have a sunken tub here, which is really nice. You got this massive shower. Shower is huge. Yeah, really nice shower. Really large rain shower. Let's see what kind of stuff they got here. Does anybody know this brand? Botanical Enlivening Body Wash. That probably smells good with essential oils. And there's some shampoo and stuff. Nice looking tub too. Tub looks amazing. Okay, so let's go check out the bed area. Oops. Let me turn this camera back around. So we are walking down the hall. Let me go back a little bit so y'all can see. So I just came out the bathroom, and this is like the print on a hall. So we're walking down the hall, and we're into the main, like, sleeping area. So here's your bed, and this door right here, you can also close your bathroom off, which is nice. So they got nice lamps, nice bed, comfy bed, king size bed, nice desk area. Wait a minute, is that the TV? It can't be the TV that large. I'm not sure what that mirror is. Oh, I think the TV is in the middle. I see like a frame. There's a frame right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not, because it looks like a mirror. Yeah, it looks like a mirror. The TV looks like a mirror, but there's a frame right here. I think that's the actual TV. That is so cool. But it looks like a mirror. See, y'all see that right there? All of that. The TV is inside of all of that. That's really cool. Plenty of seating space. Then they have an indoor balcony area. That's going to be amazing view at night. Can't wait to show you this at night. And here's a view of the canal in Dubai, in the St. Regis Hotel. I think this room was about $300 a night. And with my American Express Platinum, I got a free upgrade. Came with free breakfast, a $350 credit to use for food and beverages anywhere in the hotel. So lots of benefits of that American Express Platinum card, which I'll tell you guys about in another time. Look at that beautiful couch. Isn't that nice? So this is the room. Very nice. Hope you enjoy St. Regis Hotel, Dubai, downtown. Very nice.
क्या से? Yes, sir.
Okay, so everything is kind of like made to order. If you want pancakes, if you want pancakes, if you want omelets, that you order from the table. Yeah, I just had this delicious blueberry pastry. Oh wow, they got a fresh honeycomb. Wow. You can't get no more fresher honey than that. That's pretty impressive. All kinds of cereal. Okay, then there's a whole nother cheese and what you call them spread. Yummy. Okay, we're gonna be here for a while. Everything's fresh. Everything's delicious. Ooh, those salads look good. Yeah. You can make your own juice. They will make any combination juice that you want. So yeah, this is what just showing pics of the infused water, which was delicious, and the fresh pastries. Those blueberry pastries were amazing. This was eggs Benedict that was ordered from the table, was also really good. And avocado toast was delicious as well. We had a really good breakfast there. Ordered some French toast and I topped it off with some fresh berries and strawberries. And just other pics around the hotel and views of the St. Regis downtown Dubai. St. Regis Hotel. This is the infinity pool, the St. Regis Hotel. Not too many people are here, I guess, because it's kind of in the middle of the day and stuff. But it's really beautiful. Relaxing. Decided to book a Haman treatment at the St. Regis Spa here in Dubai. This is the Haman treatment room. The room also had a dressing room and a built-in steam room, which the treatment consisted of exfoliation, a steam room, bathing, just an all-around awesome treatment, then followed by a massage in the massage room. This was the Italian restaurant in the St. Regis Downtown Hotel. Delicious pizza and lasagna. It was a really good, solid meal. Outstanding. And these are just views of the room in the St. Regis Downtown Hotel. If you're looking for just a nice getaway in Dubai and a luxurious experience, then check out the St. Regis Downtown Dubai. You will not be disappointed, from the customer service to the food to the outstanding service and views. Enjoy.
make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to share and turn on notifications.